Thank you for visiting us last week at World of Concrete in Las Vegas. You learned a little bit about how to get acids off of your site and what to replace it with that's safer for you and your truck.
We make a concrete remover we call SynTech. You can see it reacts instantly with concrete because it has a 0 pH and the concrete has a high pH. However, things like skin and eyes and paint, glass, wires, cabling, aluminum, chrome on the truck do not. So we're safe to remove the concrete, grease, and grime that builds up on the truck, and we can be used anywhere on the truck where you would normally not use an acid. This video is sped up, but only 3.5 minutes were needed to clean all of that grease and concrete off the pedestal of this truck.
The reason why people come to us is that SynTech has a 0 pH but a 000 HMIS score. That means no gloves, no goggles. No other personal protection is needed. It can't hurt you, but because it has a 0 pH, it's capable of replacing even the most dangerous acids you see here.
We welcome you to visit our website to learn more about our technology, different industries including ReadyMix, where you can download technical data sheets, request an SDS, or a sample. Just send us an email or give us a call. Thanks for your time.